Hi learners, welcome to our another new lesson. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 mountain ranges with their correct spellings and pronunciations. Apart from this, if you are finding my videos helpful, please do visit my channel, subscribe it, watch my videos, like them and share them with others. Now, here we go. Number 1. Himalayas. H I M A L A Y A S. Himalayas. Number 2. Karakoram. K A R A K O R A M. Karakoram. Number 3. Hindu Kush. H I N D U. Hindu. K U S H. Kush. Hindu Kush. Number 4. Pamirs. P A M I R S. Pamirs. Number 5. Andes. A N D E S. Andes. Number 6. Kunlun. K U N L U N. Kunlun. Number 7. Caucasus. C A U C A S U S. Caucasus. Number 8. Alps. A L P S. Alps. Number 9. Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. S I E R R A. Sierra. N E V A D A. Nevada. D E D S A N T A Santa. M A R T A Martha. Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. Number 10 Tian Shan. T I A N Tian S H A N Shan. Tian Shan. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. Hope day by day you are enriching your vocabulary and general knowledge. Keep learning. Bye bye.